In today's video, we'll look at unboxing the new limited edition white gold card and why I think it's worth it to keep the gold card or apply for it if you don't have one yet. Before we dive in, one big favor, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. This will help my battle with the YouTube algorithm gods. First, let's look at the new limited edition white gold card. So here's the new white gold card. Looks nice. It's a slight scratch. So I requested a replacement for my gold card. And it shows here your replacement card has arrived, and you get an envelope to return your old card or your previous card that you want to dispose. So here's the new white gold card. It's very nice, very faint, more yellow I would say, and the black edges and the font is very faded and they don't feel like they are very embossed. And the back is nothing special. Comparing it to the original gold card, very big difference. And then also the rose gold. Here are the three cards to add one more comparison. Platinum card, just a basic platinum card, vanilla platinum. Looking at the two gold card, the original one, you can see the black and the font on the black on the font as well as the centurion more prominent. I kind of prefer this blackness on the white gold, but I guess they want to make it look more faded. If you're comparing the two white gold and the regular gold, very big difference I would say. Then comparing the white gold with the rose gold, very prominent black lines in the font versus the faded white gold, and of course rose gold and the regular gold. Now if I want to compare the platinum with the white gold, here's how it looks next to each other. This is how it looks: platinum, white gold. And for the drop test, I guess that's what everyone does, so I'll do a drop test. This is the white gold, metal, plastic and metal, I think, combination. Drop test in 3, 2, 1. Platinum. The platinum sounds hefty. You can hear that clank. Again, the white gold. Maybe because it's thinner and lighter. So yeah, what do you guys think? Which one would you go for? The platinum. Ting ting. The gold card has a $325 annual fee with a total of $424 in credits to help offset the annual fee, as well as high multipliers for the most common categories in your spending. A few of these credits are monthly use, like a coupon book. So if you're not a fan of this, then this card might not be for you. But the other area of this card is the reason many continue to keep this card. Let's take a look at all the credits that Amex Gold has. It has a $120 dining credit and it comes in $10 statement credit every month. You can use this credit at places like Grubhub, The Cheesecake Factory, Goldbelly, Wine.com, and Five Guys. Just pay with your gold card and you'll get the $10 statement credit. Next is the $120 Uber credit. It comes in $10 statement credit every month as well. You can use this credit for regular Uber or you can use it for Uber Eats. And for the new $84 Dunkin' Donuts credit, you get $7 monthly statement credits for this. What most people found success in using the Dunkin' credits is by doing a $7 manual load on the Dunkin' app. So if you don't have any Dunkin' Donuts near you, you can load a $7 credit to your Dunkin' apps manually, and that way you can stack up the credits if you want. And the $100 Resi credit, you will get $50 semi-annual statement credits for this. You can look up a Resi map or the app and see if there are any restaurants near you that are part of the Resi program. And once you dine in there, you can charge the bill using the gold card and you'll get a $50 semi-annual statement credit. So if you're able to use all the credits, then the gold card is easily a keeper card. I feel like it's like a no-brainer card to use. And you can use this card on a daily basis. The reason I say daily is because of the multipliers. So let's jump into the next topic. The Amex Gold Card is a powerhouse when it comes to multipliers. It has 4x restaurants worldwide plus takeout and delivery in the US, 4x at US supermarkets up to $25,000 per year, and 1x the rest of the year. There are some exclusions, so you have to be careful on that. 3x on flights booked directly with airlines or on amextravel.com. 2x on prepaid hotels, car rentals, cruise, paid vacations, packages, etc. when you book through amextravel.com. And 1x on everything else. So as you can see, you will be able to earn quite a lot of Amex membership reward points with all these high multipliers, especially if you spend a decent amount at restaurants and groceries. Of course, there are many other cards out there from different companies that have similar high multipliers for similar categories, but if you're in the Amex ecosystem or you want to be part of the Amex ecosystem, then the gold card is a must to have in my opinion. Which leads me into my next topic, should you apply for the gold card? Currently, Amex has a new policy where if you apply for the platinum card, you are not eligible to receive a welcome offer for the gold card and the green card. And if you apply for the gold card, then you're not eligible to receive a welcome offer for the green card, but you will still be eligible to receive a welcome offer for the platinum card. And if you apply for the green card first, then you will still be eligible for the welcome offer for the gold card and the platinum card. So basically, if you're not chasing for the sign-up bonus offer, then you can skip the green card and go for the gold card, then apply for the platinum card in the future, if that's your plan. If you are chasing for sign-up bonus offer, I would suggest waiting for an elevated offer on the green card and apply for that first, then move on to the gold card and apply for the gold card's sign-up bonus, and then finally get the platinum card. That way you will receive all the sign-up bonus offers from all the green card, gold card, and platinum card. A quick reminder is to check the link in the description below to see if you're targeted for any new elevated offers. You can also try using incognito mode, different browsers, maybe a different device or a VPN if you have one, to find the best offer for you. Using different options like this will yield different results, so you might be lucky and one of them might show a very high offer for you. And of course, using these links will really help my channel grow, so I thank you in advance. So what do you think about the new gold card? Will you be applying for one, or will you be skipping this? Or are you gonna cancel your current gold card? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.